Hello, and welcome to a brief overview of ICONICS' market-leading platform, Genesis64's integration with Dynamics 365 Field Service. In a world where people and devices are increasingly connected, organizations are faced with mounting pressures to optimize their resources, reduce downtime, and empower their field service workers to operate more efficiently. Optimizing service operations is enabled through a combination of ICONICS software and Dynamics 365 Field Service. Genesis64's optional component, CFSWorks, is a product that adds key features that deliver solutions for streamlining the efficiency of field service organizations through intelligent scheduling and notifications. Those notifications can be triggered by any event, such as alarms and faults, by leveraging the Internet of Things to connect to assets and equipment. Genesis64 optionally integrates with popular ERP, CRM, and directory services such as Dynamics 365, Teams, and Azure Active Directory to gather important information about your field workers. Its customizable weighted scoring system factors in each worker's schedule, availability, location, and skill level to determine which field worker is best for the task. CFSWorks then delivers a notification to the field worker's mobile device for immediate action. This powerful solution applies to any industry, including water, oil and gas, smart buildings, retail, and manufacturing. In this manufacturing environment, a high-value piece of equipment encounters a problem. Genesis64 detects the events and utilizes CFSWorks to forward it to the right people, an alarm fault or SMS message, as in this case. The system notifies whoever is on call on the maintenance team. By tapping the notification, it deep links into the right information for this alarm that provides a graphic representation of that equipment. This shows a synopsis of what's going on with the equipment, what's gone wrong at this particular time, and offers options to take action. If it's something they can address themselves, the operator might just dismiss it. However, when integrated and connected with Dynamics 365 Field Service, the features around work order creation and ability to forward to outside contractors are enhanced for further collaboration and routing. If they want to delegate it to somebody else, they might forward it or schedule a work order. They may need to bring in outside expertise, such as a contractor. Or maybe it's a problem that they can only fix during a scheduled downtime in operations. So they might not want to just run over and change things, but instead put it into the queue to get processed properly. In that case, we can submit a work order. This brings in information from the incident. This can include machine ID, asset ID, and notes about the machine history. The operator can add additional notes and flag it for maintenance. This information can get passed to Dynamics 365 Field Service to create an incident, as well as trigger an IoT alert. Once in Dynamics 365, the work order manager can assign and schedule it. We can also track the work order in Dynamics 365 and monitor its status from the ICONICS environment. We can see under Submit Work Order, the current status says the work order has been created and is pending assignment. Later on in the process, we see that the issue has been assigned to someone to address during the next scheduled downtime. We can see it is planned for 1 p.m. during the next scheduled break for downtime. In conclusion, ICONICS is able to detect events and provide relevant information to guide the operator on how best to address the issue. The operator can choose to initiate a work order in Dynamics 365 Field Service. By integrating with Dynamics 365, ICONICS is able to provide a more comprehensive facilities maintenance solution and enable better productivity among technicians and frontline workers.